Hi y'all, okay, I know I always start my videos like this, but I am very excited for today's video because it's gonna be like a chill DIY. I really love making like accessories and like altering clothes and stuff. So today we're gonna be making a eclectic necklace type of thing. I don't know what you would call them, but I'm gonna throw some pictures up now so y'all can see like the inspiration. It's like these necklaces that are basically just like a bunch of like mismatched kind of charms, all like scattered on unevenly on necklaces. That's about the best I can describe it, but you can see the inspiration and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you all facing down onto my desk and I'm just gonna make it with you. The thing that I really like about these type of necklaces is that you can pretty much customize them like entirely to your own aesthetic, I suppose. Mine is going to be quite metal, lots of silver, some like aggressive-y kind of details, but then some like lighter details as well. Yeah, so let me show you what I've got. Okay, so firstly, I have some ball chain here, which I kind of think I want to thread through the actual necklace. And then over here, I've just got some carabiners, some different size rings. Most importantly, what you probably end up needing is jump rings, obviously just to connect all the charms on. I've got some piercing rings here, a big safety pin, more chain just to like add different length elements to the jewelry. Down here I've got some various charms. So this one is obviously knife, some oversized piercing bars, spikes. Now obviously I want Sinner to be written somewhere, so I've got the letters for Sinner there. I also have this big earring, but I don't think I'm going to use that, but it's there anyway. Then some other charms through here, a really big piercing ring, which I freaking love. Like, how cool is that? The other thing that you definitely need is a clip to secure your necklace at the back so you can take it on and off. And then some pearls. I'm fully obsessed with pearls at the moment, and these pearls are really big, so that's fun. And then the other things that you absolutely need, apart from the jump rings and the clip for the back, is some sort of necklace base. So I'm using this chain that I got from a Australian hardware store called Bunnings. So I'm going to attempt to get the right size, right length of that. And then over here are pliers and I don't know, what would you call that? Like clips? Anyway. Okay, so if you want to keep watching to see how I come up with this, the first thing we're going to do is get the right measurement for the chain, and then I'm going to do like a layout of what I want it to look like. So keep watching if you want to. If you do end up making it, let me know. I'd love to see your version of it. Otherwise, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm just essentially laying out the chain against a necklace that I know fits me really well, so that once I remove the extra links, it will pretty much fit me right. I am leaving a little bit of extra chain at the end just in case I need to make any adjustments. But as you can see here, I'm just bending it open with 2 pliers, and yeah, that worked really well. So next what I'm doing is I am attaching the claw at the back of the necklace so it can be closed. This is where the jump ring comes in to connect the chain to the claw. The easiest way to open a jump ring is from the part where it splits. You want to grab with 2 fingers from 3 and 9 o'clock and then evenly pull away from each other. That's about the best that I can explain that. And then obviously just threading it through the chain, and then once you've threaded it through, you're going to place the claw through that and then just close it again the same way you opened it. So next we're moving on to the layout of the necklace, and I'm explaining here that basically I want the centerpiece of the necklace, so the feature centerpiece, to be in direct line with the clip at the back, just so when I do put it on, it sits perfectly aligned in the center of my chest. And then, as I mentioned before, I am going to put the word Sinner on the necklace, so I'm just lining up the letters because I want that to sort of be the other feature of the necklace. So I'm lining that up so it's as even as it sort of can be, and I guess as readable as it can be. And then I'm going in with the pearls next. So the kind of method that I'm working in is that I'm putting all the pieces that I guess are the most important to me, or the most like feature pieces first. So you can see that I'm placing the pearl first and getting an idea for where that's going to sit, and then going around the rest of the necklace with like the charms that I think are going to be like next in line, or what that would look good next to the pearls, etc. And then from there I'm just going to keep adding charms, adding pearls, making sure it looks cool but like not too even. The only thing I really wanted even was the centerpiece and the letters. Everything else is sort of just like placing where I think it's going to look kind of cool but sort of like obscure, which you'll see in a moment when I start putting the necklace together. You'll see that I start adding different lengths of chains to the charms, so some of them sit higher, some of them sit lower. So before I actually start putting the necklace together, I'm just explaining here that I want to put that ball chain through each individual link in the necklace. I actually decided to take this off in the end just because it stopped the necklace from sitting nicely on my chest. So you'll see at the end product that it's actually not there anymore. Now I'm just going to fast forward through this footage. It's literally just me attaching with jump rings each of the charms to the necklace, so you can just see the process of me picking the length that I want them to be, and maybe moving a couple around if I didn't like the way it looked. I'm going to fast forward through this side, and then maybe you'll see just a little bit of the other side as well, but enjoy.
Stop the neon colors now. Oh, yeah, it's a trip into the beyond. Can't stop the neon colors now. It's a trip into the beyond. Can't stop the neon colors now. No. Yeah, you'll trip with me if I trip with you. Together there is nothing that we cannot do. Yeah, you'll trip with me if I trip with you.
Okay, so that was like suspiciously easy. Like that took no time at all and it looks sick. So I'm gonna show you now and then I will put on a bit of a fit and I'll show you how I would sort of wear it. But here it is. Ah! I love it. Oh my God, that's so sick. Okay, so yeah, that was just so easy to do, honestly. Like if you can get yourself to like a craft store and pick up a bunch of charms or anything that you like, beads, gems, whatever. I did actually really want some diamantes in this, but I couldn't find anything. Or op shops are a fantastic place to look for like charms. You could find necklaces that you can break and you can take stuff off. But oh my God, my fun necklace is done. So I am gonna, yeah, put on a fit and then show y'all the finished product on the body. Honestly, I am so happy with this. I just think it looks so freaking cool, especially like with these massive pearls and then all the odd charms. I don't know, what can I say? Like, do y'all like it? Because I love it. So I've just popped on a bit of an outfit. I'm just gonna show y'all what the outfit looks like with the necklace. Okay, so this is what I would wear with this necklace. So I feel like I want to go for like a bit of a bougie but like pouch bougie vibe. So I'd wear this corset and then these really wide leg jeans. I have my baby pink fluffy bag, so I just feel like it adds an element of like bitchiness to it. And then my platform New Rock boots. So yeah, and then of course a necklace. I just love it. I just think it looks so cool together. Like, I love that it's like a very unique like piece, and no one else will have anything like this, which is why I think y'all should give it a go, because it's going to add like a little uniqueness and fun to your closet. But like as an entire vibe, yes, anyway, cool. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Yeah, let me know what you think of the necklace. I'd love to see if some of y'all make it as well. And of course, go check out the artists that I have taken inspiration from. Their work is so freaking cool. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking. I just feel like, I just love it. I just think this is such a cool piece. I'm so happy that I have like a really fun, like charm bracelet necklace vibe going on. Anyway, besides that, thank you all so much for watching. Expect a lot more DIYs coming, because that's sort of where I'm headed with my content. I freaking love doing DIYs and I've got so many plans. So yeah, check in and watch those. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, you'll trip